If you were wondering whether or not SEO marketing and our search engine optimization is relevant for you and your business, and whether or not it's actually relevant to you and your industry. Hello and welcome. If this is your first time joining, my name is Sophie. I am a business consultant and of course a Sass digital agency owner. And in today's video, we're going to be unpacking 3 of the main niches that SEO marketing is the most relevant for, as well as helping you better understand whether or not you should be investing in it for yourself. Let's dive in. One of the first industries that I love and adore and that I have been a part of, both supporting but also having my own, is a service-based industry. Now, a service-based industry refers to anyone who's actually delivering some sort of service. In my market, especially in the online world, I think a lot about people who are therapists, the people who are coaches, people who are course creators, consultants. Online services are one thing, and then of course in-person services like brick and mortar services, whether you're an auto detailing company, you're a party limousine company, you're somebody who has a fitness gym or studio, you have a food or service industry in that way. These are all essentially services that you are selling. Now, this industry in particular, I think, is absolutely crucial for having SEO built into your business. So the question becomes, okay, well, what is SEO and how is that even relevant? Now, the thing to answer here is really short and simple. When you type into Google and you're searching for something, or in today's world, if you just ask ChatGPT to tell you something, it's pulling from the entire database of the internet, meaning everything that's on the internet is indexed by Google or by whatever search engine you're currently using. And so when you ask that question, you're searching for something. And so what the search engine does, whether it's Chat or Google or Bing or whatever you use, is it's looking for the content that best answers your question. Your content as the business owner, meaning your blogs, your sales pages, your product pages, your home pages, that content getting found is what's called that content being optimized for search, aka search engine optimization, which means when somebody's searching for best health coach near me, PCOS specialist near me, local gym for whatever, your content shows up. And that means you get found for free by people looking for exactly what it is that you do. This is SEO marketing. And of course, as you can see here, there's a lot of relevancy for anybody in the service-based industry who has something that they're trying to sell and want to get found for. Even more important if you are somebody who's not just an online service provider, but you have what's called local SEO, meaning you deliver services in a local region. Either you have a brick and mortar, maybe you're somebody who's a mobile service provider, meaning you drive to different locations and deliver a service, whether you're a massage therapist, whether you're a physical therapist, whatever the actual service is, doesn't necessarily make much of a difference. Because the reality is people are searching for what you do, the services that you offer. You can get found. And if you're not leveraging SEO, then you are missing out on so much opportunity to grow your business. Now, that's not the only industry that really benefits from SEO. The second one is going to be product-based businesses, or the product-based industry. We can look at this in 2 worlds. We can look at this mostly through the world of e-commerce, if you will, but also through the world of people who actually sell physical products that they do in a brick and mortar. Again, any type of brick and mortar business, whether it's services or products, is going to benefit massively for search. Because when people are searching for something and they want to go and find it, they're going to Google and they're going to go and look for that thing. And if you're not showing up on the map, if you're a local business, you're not going to get found. But if you're an e-commerce business and you're selling products online, absolutely imperative that you have a business that is on Google, that is getting found through your site. When somebody's looking for the best hat, the best mic, the best whatever it is that you sell, whether you sell wine, whether you sell clothes, whether you sell stationery, any product that you're selling, you want it to get found online. That is going to be such an important component to it. And the other thing of this is, if you're just using things like social media, it can be helpful, but really your social media content is only going to get in front of people when you're pushing advertising to it. So ads are going to be a huge part of your strategy if you're not leveraging SEO. And the benefits of SEO is, of course, that it's essentially free once you create the content. You don't have to keep putting ad spend behind it. Now, that's not the only industry that we're going to cover. We've got service-based, we've got product-based, we've got local brick and mortar. And in this video, I'm going to unpack exactly why I think it might be the most underutilized tool in today's world. And then the final one is for those of you who don't actually sell services, you don't actually sell products, but you want to generate income online. Now, hear me out when I say this. What I am going to to talk about here is affiliate marketing. I am not talking about MLM. I am talking specifically about you as a person who has expertise in a specific arena, a specific niche, a specific field. It's something that you're really passionate about, or you really care a lot about, or you just have a lot of interest in and you want to generate income from it. You see this in things like lifestyle or influencer marketing on social media, and I think it gets a really bad rep. The way that I like to look at this when we're thinking about SEO is anytime somebody is searching for something, whether they're searching for the best mic online, or they're searching for the best book for X, Y, and Z, or they're looking for information on the best mattress, you get to be what is called the middleman. And if you are somebody who is leveraging SEO marketing without needing to build a business as far as services or products, you can generate income, and essentially passive income, through affiliate marketing, meaning you build relationships and partnerships with different products, different companies, whether they're services or whether they're actually physical products, and you decide to write reviews, create content, sharing about them, comparing different pieces. And when people are searching for information, your content comes up. They click through your link to go and purchase that product, and now you get a commission, especially if you're somebody like myself who focuses a lot on things like software, where I'm writing reviews and I'm doing testing and I'm creating content, going over different pieces of software or tools that I use and sharing those with my audience. When audience members find it helpful, they click on those links, they purchase, and oftentimes there's an affiliate commission attached to that. So this is another great way, again, if you are wanting to build a business, but you don't want the complexities of having to deal with delivering a service, and or you don't want the complexities of actually having to create and manage product, then you can do it simply through affiliate marketing. So hopefully you're starting to see how SEO can be something so powerful for what you're doing, regardless of what industry or niche you're in. Whether you're a coach, whether you're a consultant, whether you're a course creator, whether you're a therapist, whether you sell wine online, whether you run a physical location wherever you live, whether you're constantly driving, or if you just want to generate income by sharing your favorite products and talking about the things that you really like talking about that people always ask you about, you can benefit from search engine optimization. So if you want to learn more, feel free to check out the links in the description down below. You can learn more about our SEO membership that is very incredibly low cost and an easy way for you to get your foot in the door, so you can go beyond just wanting to understand the concept, but instead have it be put into practical action. If you're curious to learn more about how SEO marketing works, you can also check out our free workshop that's, again, linked in the description down below, so you can see a more thorough breakdown of what SEO marketing is, how to break free from things like social media marketing, and how to create something that's going to work for you long term. And most importantly, if you're not going to do either one of those things, at the bare minimum, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can continue to get notifications. We put content out every single week around SEO marketing, online business, and automations. And if you're curious about how any of this can support you, my best suggestion is to, again, follow along. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in future content.